If you think luxury cars are all the same, wait until you see what the Mercedes-Benz S-Class is really hiding. Because this isn't just a car, it's the definition of what every other luxury sedan is trying to become. From the moment you see that iconic three-pointed star leading the way, the S-Class commands attention with its elegant yet powerful design, smooth flowing lines, and a presence that simply owns the road. Step inside and you're welcomed into a world that feels more first-class airline suite than automobile, with handcrafted leather, ambient lighting that adapts to your mood, and a massive OLED infotainment display that feels like something out of the future. But this car isn't just about comfort, it's about intelligence. The advanced driver assistance systems practically think ahead of you, scanning the road, adjusting suspension in milliseconds, and delivering a ride so smooth it feels like you're floating. Under the hood, refined yet powerful engine options deliver effortless acceleration, proving that luxury and performance can coexist perfectly. Rear passengers enjoy executive-level comfort, with reclining seats, massage functions, and cutting-edge entertainment, making every journey feel special whether you're driving or being driven. The S-Class has always been the benchmark, and with every new generation, it raises its own standard, redefining innovation, safety, and prestige in ways competitors can only chase. If you love cars that combine technology, comfort, and undeniable status, this is the ultimate symbol of automotive excellence. So if you enjoyed this deep dive into true luxury, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to RAV Review Luxuries for more premium car content that takes you inside the world's finest machines.